Africa is a land of timeless wisdom, lessons whispered by ancestors, carried through generations, and still powerful today. In this video, we'll explore 10 African proverbs that could truly change the way you see life. 1. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. This reminds us that success is not a solo journey. Teamwork and community make the difference. 2. Wisdom is like a baobab tree. No one individual can embrace it. No one has all the answers. We grow wiser when we learn from others. 3. A single bracelet does not jingle. Your strength, talent, and creativity shine brighter when shared with others. 4. Until the lion tells his story, the tale of the hunt will always glorify the hunter. Don't let others define your story. Speak your truth boldly. 5. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. We all face challenges. No one is exempt, but how we respond defines us. 6. What an old man sees while sitting, a young man cannot see standing. Respect experience. Wisdom comes not only from books, but from years lived. 7. Patience can cook a stone. Great things take time. Stay patient. Persistence transforms the impossible. 8. He who learns, teaches. Knowledge is a gift. Share what you know, and you multiply your impact. 9. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. Embrace hardship. Every struggle is preparing you for greatness. 10. When there is no enemy within, the enemies outside cannot hurt you. True strength begins inside. Conquer self-doubt, and the world cannot shake you. African proverbs carry ancient truth, yet they speak perfectly to our modern lives. Which one touched your heart the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so this wisdom reaches the world.